You've seen these. Okay, I'm going to give you a new idea for this amazing little house. So, this is a way to get your house in order. If you're looking to shift something in your life, you can take this and use it for every day to shift something, to do something. If you're looking to organize, so what you do is you would tear up pieces of paper and you would put something in each and every day to encourage you, to push you, to motivate you to do something. The boxes are really small, which is really cool. And then all you have to do is put it in back into the area. And then what you do again, you have to shake them up because you don't want to just let it be something that, every day you do the same humdrum thing. You want to be surprised. You want to use it as a filter for encouragement. You want to do something nice for someone in your life. You want to send out, let's say, greeting cards, call people you normally don't. What is the thing that you're working on that you can organize or shift your house, your mindset in such a way that would move forward and cause you to get some momentum in an area? It could be for exercising. It can be for anything.